Let's talk about connecting your bank feeds for a flow of data. This is a great step after you work on your charts of accounts and figure out how you're going to be categorizing your income, your expenses, your liabilities, your assets, if there's anything else that you need to categorize. So let's get started. You'll navigate to the Accounting tab, and then it should pop up bank transactions. In this sample company here, they already have these set up, but if you were going to start this from scratch, you would go to Link Account, and then whichever bank account you have, let's say it's Bank of America, then you would click on that and follow all their prompts where they'll ask you for your username, your password, and then select which accounts you actually want to sync here. Since this is just a sample company, once it's synced, this is what would pop up. It's showing which cards are which. You would do this for your banking and your credit card and for your savings account if you have a savings account. Not all people do, but whatever accounts are related to your business, then you would want to sync them. So then it can automatically pull this and you don't have to worry about manually entering in data. For those that are concerned, when you're doing the Connect Bank Feed, it's a read-only connection. So QuickBooks is seeing all your transactions, but they're not going to edit them or make any changes to those transactions. Once you have it linked, this is what you'll see pop up. This is for review or waiting room. And you will start categorizing your transactions or matching them if there's been a deposit that it sees from here. So in this case, you see a rental. Let's say this is a rental for a equipment. So let's see if we have equipment. We do. So we would mark this as equipment rental. And then we would select who we pay. And let's say it's Home Depot. And if it's not added, you can add Home Depot, save it. And you can enter in all the extra details. But it's important to have the vendor customer that you're using this for and the account, which is where you want to categorize it to. And then you would hit add and it would add it to the categorize. And that's where you can find anything that you've categorized or anything that you have posted. But because this is a sample account, it just redoes it and puts it back in for review. But that's not how it would work once you have it posted. You would be able to find it here and then double check that everything is accounted for and go from there. What's really nice about this, let's say you do equipment rental for $1,200 every month or something like that, or there's a reoccurring transaction, then QuickBooks learns from that, and next time it pops up, it'll show a recommended category, and then you can either post it to that expense or income, and it will learn from you. You can create rules for any reoccurring transaction, and that will help speed up your process.